this video I'll show you how to make a logo with Namecheap. So all you need to do is to go to this website, then you can see here free logo maker, create beautiful logo in 5 minutes. And here you need to type your brand name. Let's say AdsTraca. Now you can press create a free logo and you can choose a style, any style you like. Let's say this one. Now you can pick your favorite font. Let's say this one. Now another font, another one, and another one, and last one here. Let's say this one. Now you can choose what color works best for AdsTraca, and we can choose blue one. You can put your slogan here if you want. Now I press continue and search and pick your 3 favorite icons. I pick this one, I pick this one and this one. Now press continue with 3 icons and you can see here different logos for your brand. And let's say I want to use this logo or this one is looking nice. Now you can go to color and choose any color you want. Also you can go to text to change your font, slogan, you can insert here digital marketing, nice. Then you can go to icons, change the icon and layout. Don't scare it, this one is if you want a domain for your brand, but all you need to do is to go to sign up or log in to download. So you just need to log in and download your logo. Also here on this page you can see how it's looking business cards, t-shirts, websites, apps and so many. So like this you make a logo, nice logo with Namecheap. I hope you find useful this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe and I'll see you next time.